Introducing the new chicks to the old chicks. I hear you there, Mr. Roo. I hear you.
That's a rooster.
Yep.
Only two down here so far.
What?
22. Sit down easy. I might have to reach up in there. Can't get no more. Come down.
There's a rooster. A couple roosters in a mess here. That little one wasn't taking your shit either, was it?
Sit down, pal. What happened?
That's an ugly ass bird right there.
Silkies. Show me the silkies. Hi, bud. That's what we want. Hey!
You still go to the kitchen. Cut it out.
Is it because he's white?
Got one more load to bring down. You little toll makers are killed, I'm telling you right now. I will butcher you little toll makers. They go follow their man in there. It's funny how they just follow their man around. Big Roo has them wrapped right around his little tail feathers there. He goes in, they go in. They come out, he comes in. When he comes out, they go out. But he doesn't care. He's fine with the little ones. He says, there's enough of me to go around all of them. That's what he says. There's enough for me for all of them. Ah, Mr. Roo. She's gonna start doing a little dancing and stuff like that, showing off for the girls. Okay, now here's the last batch.
Hang on.
At least for a few more months. Oh, there's one of the gray ones.
So tell me, how the hell did they overrun the outside?
What?
Close the side real quick, John.
What?
Oh, you gotta realize it's 11 against 30.
31.
No, sorry.
Actually.
Big Roo doesn't care who they are. He wants to show off for all of them. Right, Mr. Roo?